Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a tag to your trade in TraderVue. So basically what you'll need to do is go to the trades, and right here you'll see all your trades. So select one of those that you want to add a tag. So I'll select this trade. So select on this check mark, and basically you'll see how many trades you selected. And right here you'll see an action. So you can add a tag and you can select a tag or just type a tag. So let's say I want to add euro as a tag, as you can see like this, and click submit, and this will ask, are you sure this will affect one trade? Click OK, and that's how you add a tag, as you can see on your trade. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.